countryside. It's very exciting or enjoyable riding a motorcycle. I'm with my beautiful niece going to another barangay. And look at the countryside. Yan, lahat na ng mga rice fields na harvest na. Yan. You can see another part. The right side is the Butusan Lake. And here you can see the wire of the electric provider. Patikot, ayan. Patikot, tinan niyo po ang baba. So, this is very dangerous. Kasi pwede dito makakapit ang mga dumadaan. The road is already under construction. See, so many motorcycles. And over there is the sea, no? The Pacific Ocean. Ayan. We are about to enter the barangay that we have something to attend. Ayan. It's really an enjoyable ride here in the countryside with the motorcycle. Ito sa bahay. Ayan o. Sino mo ito? Ito to.
Bata yan?
Yeah. Joyride. Joyride in the countryside. Country road, country road. Ang laki ng isda na nahuli nila.
Saan yan? Hinagda ko sa Parola. Look at the coconut trees. They are so healthy. Beautiful coconut trees. Yeah. Kami at the halimaw. Machine being used in harvesting rice. Here is the reservoir of my plastic. Here is another barangay. Oh, Barcelona, Sir. On the 25th of April ay GS Day of the Patrons in here. That's why there are banderitas. Oh, ayan.
pwede tayong magpakuha ng lato. Lato. Yun! Nadadami yan. Ay, na yan. Yeah! Thank you, anak. We are here. Oops!